Good evening and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Nana Serene and you're watching our news bulletin, The Reality Rundown. Let's have a quick look at the latest updates. Akhil Gogoi, leader of Raijor Dal, criticized Union Minister of Power and Housing and Urban Affairs Manohar Lal Khattar for his recent visit to Assam. Gogoi accused Khattar of enjoying the scenic beauty of the Brahmaputra River and feeding fishes while disregarding the suffering of flood-affected residents in the city. At least 300 residents of Rukmini Gaon gathered on the streets on Wednesday to protest the persistent flooding issues affecting their area. Residents voiced concerns about the ineffective drainage systems and the insufficient response from local authorities. Assam Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi following the tragic death of a 45-year-old woman, Kaveri Nakhwa, who was struck by a BMW in Mumbai's Bowli on July 7th. Gogoi accused Modi's government of targeting the homes of the weak and vulnerable while ignoring their plight. In a significant move to empower college and university students, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma ceremonially distributed the first tranche of admission fee reimbursements under the Pragyan Bharati scheme. During the event, it was announced that a total of 94,838 students across Assam have benefited from this initiative. In a recent crackdown on corruption within the education sector, authorities in Dhemaji arrested Digonto Gogoi, a senior assistant in the sub-inspector's office of local schools, while he was accepting bribes. Gogoi was caught red-handed receiving a bribe from a retired teacher in Bardalni, leading to his immediate arrest. To provide sustainable income to unemployed indigenous youths within the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, the administration has launched the Tripura Hum Loan Scheme. The scheme offers subsidies and support from Tripura Gramin Bank at the lowest interest rates, aimed at empowering the youth with auto loans. In the aftermath of the Wali hit and run case, Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut have accused the government and police of attempting to protect the accused Mihir Shah. They allege that Shah was hidden to avoid detection of alcohol and drugs in his system. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami paid tribute to Shaila Rani Rawat, the Kedarnath MLA who passed away this morning in Dehradun. The Chief Minister expressed his condolences and acknowledged her contributions to the community. Upon arriving at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Vienna, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was warmly greeted by members of the Indian community. The welcome was marked by a special performance from a group of Austrian artists who sang Vande Mataram to honor his visit. In response to a recent terrorist attack on an Indian army bus that claimed the lives of 5 soldiers, security forces have initiated a search operation in Samba, Jammu. According to Jammu and Kashmir Police SP SOG Guru Ram Bharadwaj, the operation is a routine exercise involving aerial surveillance to ensure the safety of the border area. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.